Hi everybody! Recently we have updated MS503N bench, and today we talk about the changes that we have implemented in its design. The bench operation is the same. Below you'll find a link to a video with an example of its operation. The main goal was to increase its productivity, so this bench is equipped with an industrial pump, which is driven by electric motor with a capacity of 2.2 kilowatts. The bench is powered by 220 volts. That is a big advantage, because it can be used on big and small car service stations. Due to the combination of an industrial pump and electric motor, we also managed to increase the speed of system flushing. The control elements are the same, and an emergency shutdown button has been added to the instrument panel, making the bench even more secure. The improvement was successful. The new design fully justified itself. This bench is already on sale. Details about the characteristics and price you can see on our website. Wait for new videos, subscribe to our public on Instagram and Facebook. See you soon, bye!